Okay, let's take a look all the features. Right, this is a classic first. Yeah, you can see the speedo looks like this. The rev meter looks like this, right? Top speed is 260. Okay, so we go to the sport mode. Yeah, this is sport mode. Okay, we have the engine data, G-force. This is an underdefined, understated. Yeah, very simple one. Okay, and this is a map, full screen map view. This is an assistant view. Okay, this is a service. Yeah, no error. Okay, tire pressure. That's it. We will change to the AMG one. Yeah, we are changing to the AMG. Yeah. Okay, this is AMG style. Okay, we have extra menu which called Super Sport. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, so this is the how the AMG menu looks like, and more detailed is the Sport. Okay, you can see the speedometer become different, right? Okay, okay, RPM, speedo, this engine data. Okay, this is understay, still looks like this. So you got an extra super sport mode. You can see this informations, horsepower, torque, right? Okay, and for this classic we can also see the AMG logo, AMG sign, and also this top speed goes to 360. Okay, navigation menu, a system menu, service. Also looks slightly different over here, right? If you compare to the previous one. Yeah, this message is because there's a diagnosed connection. Okay, thank you, bye bye.